somewhere.
Oh, absolutely, yeah.
There has to be.
Somewhere it'll transition, it'll continue horizontally and then probably transition to a main vertical drop.
Yes, oh yeah, it
or
has to
something
be,
like
yeah.
that.
Oh,
So
yeah.
it's probably in the horizontal somewhere because the metal piping, what happens over
Yeah.
time is
I know.
it builds cholesterol in the inside.
I have a feeling that you're right.
Yeah.
It's there.
That's that. That's
So you say
usual
behind the
stuff.
wall, meaning it's going to come from. It's in here,
Inside.
in there
Beyond-
somewhere.
Beyond the drywall, yeah.
Oh,
Beyond the
in
drywall.
there.
So I'll just shove the snake in and.
Oh, I
and do
see.
my-
So
So I'll just have to move this out of the way.
Yes,
a small
you have to
bit.
move- you have
a
to
small bit, yeah, not.
oh,
not a
it
little
doesn't
bit.
matter. Move this
Yeah.
washer as much as you want.
Okay, and it's not braced to the floor or nothing.
No.
It can just be slid.
It could be
slid.
slid. I
enough.
can't do it myself, but I've seen it being moved.
Fair enough.
My friend that went back there to do this,
Mm.
he pulled it forward.
Oh, fair enough.
Yeah,
Fair
yeah,
enough.
so that's
enough.
that. Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna take one of these off and we're gonna do a flow check. Flow check.
that's nice and dry. See anything around there? I'll just double check, tighten them up. That's fine with me.
So I'll send you that price for the 2 toilets.
Okay.
It's not dripping.